Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, yeah, it's going down. Making mouthwater, saucy talk of the town. I know you're hungry, can't fight it, you will lose your breath. Quickie meals for your pleasure, here's another chef. Subscribe to the channel, Saucy, you be boss. Without further ado, I'm introducing sauce.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making cocoa bombs. The ingredients that we're going to need today are mini semi-sweet chocolate chips. We're going to need chocolate melting wafers. We're also going to need mini marshmallows, cocoa powder, peppermints. We're also going to need a silicone melting pot and also a silicone mold. The one that I have here makes 4 cocoa bombs. And you're also going to need a brush for the chocolate. Okay guys, the first thing you want to do is get your melting pot. And all we're going to do is add our chocolate wafers in. And that's going to be a 1/2 cup. Once your wafers are in your melting pot, all we're going to do is put the lid on and we're going to put it into our microwave for 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, we're going to stir it. If it's not melted all the way, put it back in for another 30 seconds. Okay guys, I have my melting pot in my microwave and I'm about to set it for 30 seconds. Okay guys, the chocolate is now melted. All I did was pour it into a bowl from the melting pot. All I'm going to do now is take about a teaspoon of the chocolate and start to put it into the molds. Once you have the chocolate into the molds, all you want to do is coat it thoroughly all the way around. Okay guys, once you have all the chocolate inside your mold, all you want to do is put it in your refrigerator for 5 minutes so it can harden up. Next, you want to wash your silicone melting pot and also the brush and make sure it's dried thoroughly. Okay guys, after the 5 minutes is up, all you want to do is fill up your melting pot again with your chocolate melting wafers or your mini chocolate chips and repeat the process. Okay guys, our second batch of chocolate has melted. So we're just going to pour it into a bowl. And all we're going to do is repeat what we did earlier. I'm just going to coat the molds again. Okay guys, make sure your molds are well coated. And it's important to get the chocolate all the way at the top. And make sure you don't miss any spots. Okay, now all we're going to do is put our molds into the refrigerator for about 15 to 20 minutes or until they are completely hard. Okay guys, this next step is going to be totally up to you. I had some green melting wafers, some red and white. So what I'm going to do is melt these and just drizzle them over our cocoa bombs when they're done. It gives it a nice, pretty festive look. But like I said, this is optional. You don't have to do that. I'm going to melt these now and put them into piping bags. Okay guys, now all you want to do is get a piece of parchment paper. Then you want to pop your molds out very gently so you don't break them. And we're just going to sit them on the parchment paper. Okay guys, I have all my molds out. I did want to show you something. These two molds here, I'm probably not going to be able to use. As you can see, I didn't coat it thick enough. So they have a couple of holes in them. So I'm just going to sit these to the side. But the other ones came out beautiful. So now all we're going to do is turn them over. And one side, that is. And fill them up. Okay guys, I have my cocoa powder, my mini marshmallows, my peppermints, and also some mini chocolate chips. I'm going to start off with the cocoa powder. And we're just going to fill them like that. And guys, depending on the size of your molds, you could fill them as much as you would like. Mine, I guess, are like medium size. But they do have larger molds. Okay. And drop a peppermint. And now for the marshmallows. Okay guys, once they're filled, you want to get a microwave safe plate and you want to heat it in the microwave for about 60 seconds, and then all we're going to do is take the top half and sit them on the microwave on this, I'm sorry guys, we're going to sit them on the plate and just turn them like this until they're melted. Okay guys, I have my plate heated. All I'm going to do now is take one of the top shells and just turn it on there so the edges melt. Just like so. And then all you do is put them on top and seal them. Okay guys, the next step is optional. Just going to take my piping bag and drizzle over top. Okay guys, so here you have it. Homemade cocoa bombs. I also wanted to show you, you can also give them as gifts. I have cup holders here, this pretty gold foil, and a sticker to go on top. So I'm going to wrap one up for you guys to show you how pretty they are. Okay guys, I have my snowflake cocoa bomb in the cup, just waiting for the milk to heat up. And guys, this is what they look like once they're wrapped. I think they look cute for a gift. So all I'm waiting on now is for my milk to get hot, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like once it busts open. Okay guys, my milk is now hot. All I'm going to do is pour it into the cup. And all you want to do is stir it up. And since this is a big cup, guys, I think I'm going to add a second one. Okay guys, so here you have it. Homemade cocoa bombs. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. And thank you guys so much for watching.